Oh, don't. Okay, guys. If you can't see, there's a little birdie down there. Oh, see that? And he's down there. We're gonna try to save him. Down there. We gotta save him. He's so sad. Wait, he's on the thing. Wait, we might get him. Wait. I don't think he can fit. I don't think he can fit through the little... Buddy, can you come through here? Noah, there's a little baby bird in the sewer. There's a bird in the sewer. We're trying to save it. Oh. No, he flew. Oh my gosh. Wait, if we're gonna get him, we have... Wait, where is he? I don't see him. There he is. I see him. Huh? I have eyes. Buddy, stop. We're trying to save your life, Dumbo. Guys, we rescued him. We rescued the birdie. Oh, buddy, we rescued him. Look at him. He's so cute. Look at him. Don't touch him, though. We just rescued him. Is he okay? Look at him. Look at the little birdie. We rescued him. Look at him. Alright, I'm off. He's so cute, though. Don't get mailbox numbers or license plates. Remember that.